Ultimate oven baked stuffed potato skins. These are absolutely so delicious and so simple to make. First ingredient you want to start off with is obviously some baking potatoes. I've got 4 nice sized ones here. Smother the top in butter. Oh, that's going to make them go so crispy and lovely. Then what you want to do is give them a right good seasoning of salt on top. I'm not going to add a lot of salt to the inside mixture of the recipe because there is going to be quite a bit of salt on the outside. Chuck those into a preheated oven, 180 degrees Celsius for about an hour and a half. Get yourself some chives. This is going to go into the mixture that we're going to stuff back into the potato. Use a whole bunch of chives. Get yourself a frying pan. Chuck in some smoked cubed bacon. And we're going to fry this off until it goes nice and crispy. Whoa, look at that. Love crispy bacon. So an hour and a half later, your potatoes are now done, so we take those out of the oven. Obviously, just remember, when you take potatoes out of the oven, they are quite hot. So perhaps let them cool down a little bit before you do this next stage. Once your potatoes have cooled down a little bit, we're just going to chop them in half, and you can see how fluffy and beautiful they are inside. Next up, we just simply scoop out with a spoon, scoop all the flesh from the inside of the potato. Try and leave a little bit in there. You don't want to go too close to the skin because you might tear the skins. So now what we're going to do is make our mixture to go back in. All the ingredients we've pre-prepped before, this is where they go back in again. So in with your chives, in with that beautiful smoky bacon. Then I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of creme fraiche. You can use double cream if you like, but I just like the creaminess of creme fraiche and I like the flavour. Just give that a right good mix up together so that it's nice and fluffy. This is the best mashed potato you've ever tried in your life. Be great with Sunday dinner as well. So get yourself some nice good tablespoons of the mixture and we're just going to add them back into the potato skins. This recipe, honestly guys, it's so simple to make, yet it tastes absolutely delicious. Best snack you'll ever have in the world. So once you've got your potato skins stuffed again, what you're going to do is top it off with some cheese. I use a nice French Gruyere cheese, I like the flavour of it, but you could use a cheddar if you wanted to. Those goes back into the oven again now for about 15 minutes until the cheese melts and goes nice and dark and gnarly. And that's it guys, this recipe is now finished. It's as easy as that. If you have enjoyed this video guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to become part of the family. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.